This is a BMW 530i. This is a really good car. My daughter got this car about, I'll say 6 months ago. It's a 530i, 2007, but I'm gonna show you how to locate and put antifreeze into the BMW. If you look here to the left, just take this cap off, and I got the vehicle running, but make sure it's cool. It's been sitting here for about 5 hours, but I got it running, and I added some antifreeze to it. As you can see, the water is circulating and the water pump is working and the water is warming up. But this is where you put your water in, right here. So you just take the cap off and put antifreeze, a little water in it, and you're all set to go. It's real simple. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.